There's a saying that goes, it takes money to make money. That is a lie. It does not take money to make money. It takes money to grow your money. If you want to have this passive stream of income, which is the best way to get paid, it takes money to do that. The more money that you can invest into these passive assets, stocks and real estate, the more you'll be able to make without having to work. Pretty obvious, right? But this is where people get confused because they think, oh, I need money to make money. No, you can start a business even if you don't have a lot of money. You can start a business with $1,000 and turn that into $1 million or $10 million or even $1 billion business. But if you want to have $1,000 a month coming in from your investments or $10,000 a month coming in from your investments, that's going to take money. And so now the question is, well, how do you go out and do this? You don't need to have a six-figure job. You don't need to get a second job to necessarily start doing this. But what you need to do is get started. Because the key here is consistency. If you can keep investing, even if it's a little bit of money, every single week, week after week after week, month after month after month, year after year after year, well, now what's going to happen is not only are you constantly contributing to your investments, but eventually your investments are going to start making some money too. And as they start making some money too, instead of you taking the money out and going shopping with it, if you take the money and just throw it back into your investments, now what's happening is you're building a wheel where you're putting money into this wheel that starts spinning. And as this wheel starts spinning, it starts spitting off money. Now you're putting more money into this wheel, and this wheel is spitting off money that you're putting back into the wheel. And the money that your money makes is also making more money. So it starts to grow bigger and bigger and bigger, faster and faster and faster. The first few years, that is the slowest and the worst growth. Maybe you can get some benefit if the stock market or asset prices are booming, but the initial stages are the hardest because that's when you have the least money working for you. But after a few years, you're going to start to see a little bit more momentum because now you have more money working for you. If you keep contributing money every single week for a few years, you'll have some significant money invested for you. If you do it for 5 years, you'll see even more money working for you. If you do it for 7 years, you'll have even more money working for you. If you do it for 10 years, now you're going to see a whole new, different financial life that you're going to be able to live. That's why I call it a decade of sacrifice. A decade of sacrifice means you're working to spend less and earn more, that we have more money to invest. Now, this doesn't mean it's bad to get a second job or that it's bad to start a business or a side hustle or try to make some more money. The question is, why are you working to earn more money? And this is that big thing that people get confused because most people are working to earn more money to have nicer things because most people think in terms of spending that, oh my God, if I could make $10,000 a month, I could drive a BMW, I can go on a vacation every single month, I could be living large. But see, that's the wrong way of thinking. That's broke thinking. That's how the majority of people think. If you want to understand how wealthy people think, what wealthy people think is, okay, if I can make $10,000 a month, that means I could put $3,000 a month into my investments. That's pretty solid. Maybe I could put $1,000 a week into my investments. See, that's what wealthy people are thinking because now the more money you can put into your investments, the faster you can grow this passive money wheel, this passive investing wheel, this passive cash flow wheel that will keep paying you even when you're not working. And so now the question is, what type of lifestyle do you want to live? You want to just keep working to have the nice things that where you're constantly working to pay off your stuff? Or do you want to work to own the assets so your assets can pay for all the stuff? And that's a question for you because this is where the real wealth is built. What truly wealthy people want is they want their money to pay for their lifestyle. They don't want to have to keep going to work or keep running their business to keep funding their lifestyle because that can be draining no matter how big of a lifestyle you're living. If you really want to become wealthy, well now, if you know you're going to make money every single month from your investments that are going to cover your bills, that are going to cover your travel, that are going to cover your lifestyle, well, now it's a whole lot freer. And you don't have to feel so bad to buy the nice stuff because now when you go out and you buy that Gucci, when you can afford it because now your assets are paying for it, you don't worry about the price because you know next month you're going to get more money anyways. And you don't have to work to get paid because you already worked to own the asset. If you enjoyed this short clip from my longer videos, here's another clip that I think you'll love. And while you're at it, if you're interested in learning more about how to start generating passive income, our team put together an amazing guide on how to start generating passive income for free. All you got to do is click that button right over there. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep hustling.